If you're looking for a very quick way to make tomato stew, keep watching. Put that to the side and I'll get on with the stew. For the stew, I'll start off by blending my onions, so the first was pepper, onions, and then my tomatoes. I blend everything together. Some people like to blend their onions and pepper and ginger and garlic and whatnot first, but it's not like I like to quick, but I just don't like complicated food cooking. I think food making can be very simple, but if it's complicated, nobody will be able to learn how to do it. So yeah, I'm gonna blend this and I'll be right back. Once I'm done blending the tomatoes, onions, pepper, I'm just going to put in a pot, no oil, and cover it up and leave it to cook for about 30 minutes on a low heat. To season the meat, I'm going to put my garlic and then a bit of my mixed spices. I don't like to use too much, just a little bit. And then my complete seasoning. I like to use a lot of this because it's actually one of my favorite seasoning. It's really nice when used with jollof rice as well. And then my ginger. This is a pain to even pour. That's it. And then you're going to need your Maggie shrimp. I don't like Maggie chicken. This is the only Maggie that I like to use. Just break it up in there. I don't really use the salt, so I'll put that to the side. The salt will be for the wachi. And that's it. Put a little bit of water and then put on the stove to cook. This is the amount of water I use, so it doesn't fully cover the meat. And don't forget about your stew. I cooked it on a high heat, so when I'm leaving the kitchen, I'll lower it. But yeah, just spread it and then cover it. And I've just put the meat on, but it's already cooking. I'm going to check the stew again. If you trust the pot you're using, you can keep it on a high heat. Then the meat. At this stage, you can pour your oil. And you can see your meat is ready as well. You will need a bit more oil. Just to let you know, this pot is really good. It's been cooking on the highest heat and no burns under the pot. I don't like frying my meat. I prefer to grill it. So I take it out of the pot and then put it on a foil and then grill it. So this is the only sauce I could get from the lamb sauce, the meat that I steamed. So this is the only sauce I could get from it. So I'm just going to put that in there. And then I'm going to put my Maggie. I don't really like a lot of curry powder in my food, so I don't use too much. I just use a little. At least a quarter in here. and then my complete seasoning. It's not cooked yet, just in case you're thinking it's cooked. It's not cooked yet. Once you put your seasoning in there, you need to taste it. I'll add a little bit more oil and then leave it on a very low heat to cook. Added a spoon of chicken seasoning just to give it some more flavor. I don't overly grill the meat, so once it's grilled for about 15 minutes, I take it out and put it in the stew. The stew's ready, but I'm going to leave it on a very low heat, like I always say, to cook. I'm going to switch it onto this one on a low heat. Thank you so much for watching. The lamb sauce, you can have it with either wache or some plain rice. You can even have it with some yam. It's up to you. But I hope you're able to make this quick recipe, and do send me some pictures when you do.